Hello and good evening. Today's daily video task topic is a technical topic called the blood. In this video, I will talk about uh, the blood and its component with its functions. Now, what is blood? Blood is fluid connective tissue, which is a liquid that flows throughout our entire body and carries oxygen, nutrients, and other important things to all uh, all of our organs and tissues. Blood is like a transport system of the body, and it makes sure that each each part of our body gets what it needs and to function well. There are four main components of blood. First is the RBCs, that is red blood cells. Second is WBCs, white blood cells. Third is platelets, also called thrombocytes. Fourth is the plasma. Each of these components have special functions, and such as first is the RBC, red blood cells, also called as the oxygen carrier. RBCs or red blood cells are cells that gives blood its red color, and their main function is to carry oxygen from the from our lungs to all of the part of the body, and then bring the oxygen back to the lungs, so we that is exhaled out or excreted exhaled out. uh, RBCs contains protein called hemoglobin, which help them to take oxygen. When you inhale, your lungs fill with oxygen, and the RBCs take up the oxygen and then transport it through your body. Without RBCs, your body won't get the oxygen it needs to work properly. RBCs have unique round and flexible shape, which helps them to move easily through tiny small blood vessels. Second is the WBC, or white blood cells. White blood cells. Uh, these are the also called as body's defense system. These are the uh, cells which fights or kills the germs, infection, and they are crucial part of your immune system and helps to keep your body healthy. There are different types of WBCs with specific uh, functions. WBCs are categorized into granulocytes and agranulocytes. Granulocytes contains neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. Neutrophils kills bacteria and fungi. There are agranulocytes, that is lymphocytes and monocytes. And monocytes they cleans the uh, dead cells and fight the infection. Lymphocytes help fight viruses and make antibodies, and basophils involved in the allergic responses. Eosinophils kills the platelets and cancer cells, and also involved in allergic responses. Uh, the number of WBCs goes up when you are sick, and they work together to keep your body healthy and your immune system. Third is the platelets, also called as thrombocytes. Platelets are tiny cells in the blood that helps you with clotting factor. When you get a cut, platelets uh, rush to the area and stick together to form a clot and stop the bleeding. The wound, they seal up the wound, like when you when there is an injury, the platelets move to the area or the spot of the injury, and they clump together and forms a plug or clot, and the clot stops blood from leaking out of the uh, blood vessels and allowing the injury to heal. And without platelets, even a small cut could keep bleeding and making them essential for preventing blood loss. Fourth component of the blood is the plasma. Plasma is also called as the transporter. Plasma is the liquid component or liquid part of the blood, and that makes up about 55% of your blood's total volume, and it is mostly made up of water. Also contains important proteins, nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Plasma has functions such as: first is the transporting nutrients. Plasma carries nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and to your cells and tissues. Second function is the removing of waste. It helps in removing waste products like carbon dioxide and other byproducts from your cells and carry them to the mm, kidney or excretory system or lungs to filter out and uh, remove from the body. Third is to function is to carry hormones. Uh, fa- Plasma helps distribute hormones throughout the body, which control things like mm, growth and metabolism. Plasma is like a transporting system that carries RBCs, WBCs, platelets, and all other nutrients throughout the body. Now, importance of blood or the function of blood. Blood have many essential functions, such as delivering oxygen and nutrients. The the blood supplies every cell with the oxygen and the nutrients they need. Second is the fighting infection. The WBC or white blood cell protects the body from harmful viruses and bacterial infection or bacteria. Third is the healing wound or clotting factor. The platelets form clots to prevent excessive bleeding and help the wound heal. Fourth is to regulate or maintain the body temperature. Blood helps regulate body temperature by distributing uh, heat throughout the body. Fifth is the removing of waste. Blood carries waste products away from the cell so that your organs can remove them from the body. Now, without blood, our body won't be able to function or perform the basic functions. Some other information are of the blood makes about 78% of your body, and there are 25 trillion RBCs, red blood cells, in the body of an human adult, and your body also produce about 2 million uh, red blood cells, and every 2 million red blood cells every seconds. and keep up with the demand of the body.